Today we're going to look at more word problems involving length. Some of these will involve what we did yesterday with the distance around things, and some of them are just a little trickier versions of our length problems. Drawing pictures will help you with these. Writing out equations to turn into your final equations will help. I'm going to do a few of them with you, and then you'll do the rest. I want to do number 2. Number 2 says the top of a bookcase is 24 inches from the ceiling. The ceiling is 96 inches tall. How tall is the bookcase? So if I draw this, if I have my ceiling and I can use this bottom as the floor, here's my bookcase. I'm trying to figure out how tall the bookcase is. It tells me that from the top of the bookcase to the ceiling is 24 inches. And it tells me that from the floor to the ceiling is 96 inches. So if I want to figure out this missing part, which is the height of the bookcase, I have the biggest number, 96, and I need to subtract. So 96 minus 24. 6 is larger than 4, so I can just do it. 6 minus 4 is 2. 9 minus 2 is 7. And this bookcase is 72 inches. And if I want it to be the best, I can say 72 inches tall. Now, let's do number 3. Number 3 is like what we did yesterday. Henry is putting a border of rocks around his garden. The lengths of the sides of the garden are 12 feet, 19 feet, and 27 feet. How long will the border be? Anytime you see border around, means we're looking for the distance around. It gives us 3 lengths, which tells me that we have a triangle that has 12 feet, 19 feet, and 27 feet. So in order to find the distance around, I just need to add those 3 together. So I usually like to start with the largest ones. 7 plus 9 is 16. 1 plus 2 plus 1 is 4. And then I have to make sure to add that to my 12. 6 plus 2 is 8. 4 plus 1 is 5. So the border will be 58 feet. On the back, let's do number 7. It says Nick and Ben are running a relay race. A relay race is where you're running, but you only run part of it, and then you have a partner or some partners that run the rest of it. Nick runs 48 meters. Ben runs 37 meters. How many fewer meters does Ben run? So this is one that sets up, it could be asking how many did they run all together, which would be adding, but it's asking how many fewer. So it's asking us to compare. This is a problem you can use comparison bars for. So here's the word fewer, which lets us know about the circle. How many is before it, so we know we're looking for the circle. And then Nick runs more, 48. Ben runs fewer, 37. I know if I have the top number, I need to subtract. 8 minus 7 is 1. 4 minus 3 is 1. I gotta look for that unit. 11 meters. Alright. So I did number 2, number 3, and number 7 with you. You need to do 5, 6, 8, 1, and 4. If you want to do page 319, you can, but you don't have to. But make sure you submit 317 and 318 on Seesaw when you're done.